Cisco Endpoint AMP, Orbital, privileged processes with non-localhost network connections. All right, so we're going to run this against Windows. It does support Mac and Linux. Process name is one of the elements we're going to retrieve, as well as process command line, process ID, remote IP address, remote port, local IP address, and local port. Categories in this case is live acquisition of volatile data, and the exercise here primarily would probably be threat hunting, right? So we'll browse and we'll grab that SQL statement like we have in other videos. And when I went through this exercise, I certainly found some things that were interesting. So when I ran this live query, I get back 0 results. So at the time, I didn't think too much into it, other than I didn't have any connections, right? That were running with a non-privileged or a privileged account, right? And so what I'm doing here is I'm running in interactive mode, and I'm running PowerShell, and I'm actually jumping to another box and connecting to that 8.8.8 port that I'm using with PowerCat. And I just do a quick net stat here, and I can see that there's a connection made. And then I run a live query, and I'm thinking magic's going to happen, right? But it doesn't. So what I find is I had to do some tweaking. So I got rid of the process user ID, and I was able to get some data. And so that was interesting. And then I thought, okay, well, wait a minute. If I can understand what the process IDs are, maybe I can focus my query. And so this is the beauty of it, right? They, out of the box, Cisco's done a good job of giving you some insight into the SQL statement, but you can modify it. So you can see here we've added p.uid, and we're actually looking for puid equals 18, which it looks like, based on my analysis, is 18 is actually NT Authority Subsystem, right? Or system on Windows. And there's that PowerShell, right? Command detected, right? You're not hiding from me.